video. In this video, we will explain about logic and proof. First, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Ayuni and my friend Riris Aulya Putri. This video is dedicated for our big test of discrete mathematics. Let's enjoy our video.
Proposition. Proposition is a declarative sentence. That is, a sentence that declares a fact. That is either true, denoted by T, or false, denoted by F, but not P. True or false from a sentence is called true value. Proposition usually use symbol with alphabet like P, Q, R, and etc. The area of logic that deals with proposition is called the propositional calculus or propositional logic. Example: all the following declarative sentences are proposition. Number 1. Washington D.C. is the capital of the United States of America. Number 2. Toronto is the capital of Canada. Number 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And number 4. 2 plus 2 equals 3. Proposition 1 and 3 are true, whereas 2 and 4 are false. Compound proposition. Compound proposition is new proposition that formed from existing proposition using logical operators. Kind of logical operator. Number 1. And or conjunction, and the symbol is like this. Number 2. Inclusive or disjunction, and the symbol is like this. And number 3. Exclusive or XOR, and the symbol is like this. And number 4. Not or negation, and the symbol is like this. And number 5. Implication, and the symbol is like this. And the last is implication, and the symbol is like. Kind of logical operators. Number 1. And or conjunction. Conjunction. P and Q has true value if P and Q both true, except that the value is false. And the truth table of M is like this. Example: find the conjunction of the proposition P and Q, where P is the proposition today is Friday, and Q is the proposition it is raining today. And solution: the conjunction of the this proposition P and Q is the proposition today is Friday, and it is raining today. This proposition is true on rainy Fridays and is false on any day that is not a Friday and on Fridays when it does not rain. Disjunction P or he has false value if P and he hold false, except that the value is true. And the truth table of R is like this. Example: find the disjunction of the proposition P and he, where P is the proposition today is Friday, and he is the proposition it is raining today. Solution: the disjunction of P and he, P or he, is the proposition today is Friday, or it is raining today. Exclusive or XOR. Exclusive or is proposition that have true value if only one of P or he is true, except that the value is false. And the truth table is like this. Not or negation. Negation is proposition that have true value if P false, and have false value if P true. And the truth table of negation is like this. Example: find the negation of the proposition at least 10 inches of rain fell today in Miami, and express this in simple English. Solution: the negation is it is not the case that at least 10 inches of rain fell today in Miami. Implication: the conditional statement P so he is the proposition if P then he. The conditional statement P so he is false when P is true and he is false, and true otherwise. In the conditional statement P so he, P is called the hypothesis and he is called the conclusion. And the truth table of implication is like this. Example: let P be the statement. Maria learns discrete mathematics, and he the statement. Maria will find a good job. Express the statement P so he as a statement in English. And the solution: from the definition of conditional statement, we see that when P is the definition of conditional statement, we see that when P is the statement, Maria learns discrete mathematics, and he is the statement. Maria will find a good job. P so he represents the statement.
In implication, there are converse, inverse, and contradiction. Converse is the change from if P so Q to if Q so P. And inverse is the change from if P so Q to if Q so P. And the last is contradiction. Contradiction is combination between inverse and converse. From if P so Q to if not Q so not P.
B implication. The biconditional statement if and only if P so Q is the proposition. If and only if P so Q. The biconditional statement if and only if P so Q is true when P and Q have the same truth value and is false otherwise. Biconditional statements are also called B implication. And the truth table of B implication is like this.
Next is law of logic and proof. You can see above there are 10 laws. The first is identity law, second is null law, 3 is negation law, 4 idempotent law, 5 involution law, 6 absorption law, 7 commutative law, 8 associative law, 9 distribute law, and the last is De Morgan law. And next is rules of inference. There are 8 rules of inference. First is modus ponens. You can see the formula above. And next is modus tollens, and you can see the formulas above. And the next is hypothetical syllogism. Next is disjunctive syllogism. Next is addition, simplification, conjunction, and the last is resolution. And the last is axioma, theorema, lemma, and corollary. Axioma is proposition that the judgment is true. And theorema is proposition that always true. Lemma is simple theorema that used in other theorema. And the last is corollary is theorema that can be proved from other theorema.
Okay,
that's
all our learning video.
See you
See you
again
again.
and
Bye bye.